Alright, what's up YouTube? Starting out the day, we already got the bikes loaded in the trailer. I didn't even take my bike home. Ryan's driving today. Back my truck up, and we will head out to Pavilion for open practice today. Alright, should be good. Not hit my door on this trailer. Make sure I got all my gear and everything. He's got tools. Alright, should be good. Alright, we just got here to the track, got all signed up, get all the bikes unloaded, get geared up, and hopefully get out there by first practice today. We actually made it here on time, somewhat today, on like our usual 30 minutes late. Not 30 minutes, but you know what I mean. Alright, oh, I keep hitting my head on the ceiling here. We're all geared up. Get the bike warmed up. We're still not washed from area. Like I said, I just left them in the trailer since Wednesday, but we got some fans to say what's up. You guys all watch the videos? Yeah. That's sick. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What do you guys were talking about that kid on the Suzuki? You were talking about Mike? Yeah. What'd you say about Mike? He's a goon. He's a what? A goon. He's a goon? I didn't say that to him. They came to me to say that. Oh man, that's awesome. Well, arm pump city right now. Can't hold on to the bars. What's new though, you know? Always dealing with arm pump, it's so bad. But usually about like the 3rd or 4th time out, it kind of goes away a little bit. That just showed up. And Mike, you should have, whoa, jeez. These kids are making fun of you. You'll see in the vlog when you watch it. They came up. Alright, Mike's back at it with trying to tape his boots up. I ran out of duct tape halfway through. Didn't even get one way around. Needs like size 11, right? Alright, Ryan. Here's the GoPro. I can't squeeze it with one hand. Hang on.
That's why you get arm pump, not enough strength.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh my god.
It's not centered. Me in the face. Alright, you're good to go. Get some clips of Ryan, then I'll hook on the GoPro. It's not on? No, I'll turn it on when you go down there.
Go down the way. Beginner practice so we can get some more reps in. While you guys are here, go give me a follow, rgriffin265, as I stall it. Nice job, Ryan.
Where are my goggles? Probably got 2 more times out or so.
Your fucking bike on that one page the other day, the naked one?
Which one?
I swear to God, I saw your bike when it was like black and green.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, accounts reposted all the time and whatnot. Oh, my back fender's loose. Meter's still loose. Heading out. I'll pack the bikes up, and it's like 3:30 now, 3 o'clock, but rode a good bit today. Are we good to go? Bikes should be good to go, all strapped down. Of course, it starts raining as soon as we leave, pretty much.
That's good.
Well, yeah, it's good.
And we got the trailer.
And we got the trailer, so the bikes aren't gonna get wet.
Did you crank
That's
that
a
thing
bonus.
down?
Crank what? My bike?
No, the top.
What top?
You didn't close it, did
Nope,
you?
I forgot.
Yeah.
I did. It should be all right. We're gonna pull over. Of course, it was all the way up. Should be good now. Oh. All right, we just got back to Ryan's, just untorqued the bikes and whatnot. I think Ryan possibly might race tomorrow, depending, but regardless, we're gonna go back and hang out, get some filming, watch some racing, and good thing we didn't stay anyway. It's starting to rain. We need it though. It hasn't rained in so long. Like, as you can see, all the grass is dead everywhere. It's been like 3-4 weeks.